good morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Wednesday morning, very interesting week we are having, I would definitely say, considering the opportunities that we've taken so far and the one that we're gonna take to the end of the week. The focus is on the crude oil today, definitely. We have crude oil inventories report, so we're gonna make a quick recap about the economic calendar and we're gonna take a look at the chart. We start the day with German manufacturing PMI, 7:55 a.m. GMT time. After that, manufacturing PMI in UK, 8:30 GMT, and our lovely non-farm employment change, but is the preliminary preliminary figures. ADP non-farm employment change, 12:15 GMT. ISM manufacturing PMI, obviously is the day for manufacturing data, 2 p.m. GMT, and crude oil inventories 2:30 GMT in the afternoon. Thursday, construction PMI for UK, initial jobless claims, very crazy report these days, 12:30 for US, and Friday, non-farm payroll employment change, ISM non-manufacturing PMI for US, and composite PMI and services PMI for the Great British Pound. So, to summarize the week, USD, GBP are in focus to the end of the week, and crude oil and USDCAD related to crude oil. What we see in front of us is usual Euro US dollar. We start with it. So the price tried to bounce back from the support level significantly here. Definitely this is a good buy call, but bear in mind that right now the euro, as you can see, it's going just in no clear direction. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down. So nobody knows what's going to happen exactly with the Euro US dollar in the upcoming days. I think the currency pair is waiting for non-farm payroll to find its direction, so that's why it's a good momentum. We have a good buying opportunity here, but I would be very careful. I'm not gonna take it personally, but I would be very careful if I take it, simply because of this no direction and clear direction of the Euro USD. Great British Pound, a little bit more clear, absolutely bearish. We have a downtrend, strong drop, strong recovery. The price tried to push down. I highly believe we're going to see 1.22, 1.2013. Very significant resistance, 1.25 here, round number. And as you can see, the price is trying to bounce back. Didn't manage to close very low yesterday, which is the only concern that I have right now. I would like to see it very down, very red. But obviously, the price decided to retrace back in the last moment. Australian US, this I would say it's a good opportunity. Downtrend, recovery, very strong sell-off yesterday, exactly like the GBP. I would like to see it here, very red, but retraced back in the end of the day. But still, I think it's a very good short opportunity on the Australian dollar. So with potential of 150 pips, why not? New Zealand in the same shape like Australian US, same price action, no big difference. Strong sell-off yesterday, downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, and they were closed below the support 0.60. So I think there is a lot of room to go down. USD Canadian tried to push up, considering the crude oil drop, and so let's discuss the crude oil because this is the general topic today, and I think it's gonna be the general topic in the next 2-3 weeks. Crude oil tried to push below 20 bucks, and I think still believe we're gonna see $10 per barrel. This morning I've read an article that simply they're planning to increase the supply of the crude oil, and this is gonna show us very big crude oil inventories today. But let's see first the report, and then we can discuss it in details. Simply because $20 is a very strong support level, round number, big round number. But considering the low demand that we're having on the crude oil because of the coronavirus, definitely there is reason to see crude oil on $10. So I'm waiting a little bit to see how the price is going to react around $20. For now it's fluctuating, as you can see, on daily basis. We started going down, after that up, after that down, holding the 20 bucks per barrel, and I think it's people are waiting to see the crude oil inventories report and then to take an action. If we see crude oil breaking out 20 bucks, we talk about USD Canadian going up. USD CAD retraced back from the top, started going up significantly. This is because of the, I would definitely say, weakness of the dollar, not because of the strength of the Canadian dollar. We don't have a strong Canadian dollar, unfortunately, but because of the crude oil, unfortunately for Canada. But right now, I think we definitely have a room to see 1.46, 47, the recent tops. This was just a slight drop, slight sell-off, and continuation to the upside of the USD Canadian. So still believe crude oil is going to reach $10. It's going to be interesting today. USD Swiss franc, a very interesting setup. We talked about the drop of the USD Swiss, the potential one. It happened obviously close below the support, tested 0.95, retraced back to the resistance 0.96, and as you can see, we've seen yesterday a very big sell-off of the USD Swiss. Swiss is considered a safe haven currency, tested the resistance level. I definitely think this is going to be a very good short opportunity today. USD Japanese, quite similar, not exactly the same, but similar price action. Strong drop to the downside, going up, testing 108.48, bounce back from the resistance, closing below 107.88 in order to head down to 107.04, 107 round number, and continuation to the downside. So USD Japanese, USD Swiss are going to be interesting with crude oil. Definitely follow it, guys, because it's very interesting week. Just to remind you quickly about the non-farm payroll on Friday, we have ADP non-farm employment change today, many big events. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Thumbs up if you like it, of course, comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us on the social medias, don't forget about it, support us with that. And of course, if you would like to reach me, you know how to do it. Enjoy the day, have a very profitable week, and expect my video on Monday. Bye bye.